Hi there you guys, I'm Teddy from Bijouteo Beading, and in today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you super easy and step by step how to make these beautiful spider net earrings for Halloween. If you're new here, consider subscribing with the bell. Also, please like, share and comment. You could check the membership option that comes with a lot of perks. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, and I'm using only one color of seed beads. You could use white, black, gray, whatever you like. I'm using silver here, earring findings, nylon thread. I'm using a thicker one, 0.3 millimeters, and I'm using scissors. Now I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle and I'll be back. Okay guys, and I'm starting my work with 6 silver beads. Sliding those down, stick my needle here in my mat, and I want to make a knot the regular way by making a loop, going twice through the loop I've made, then pulling and making just one more knot and pull tight. Okay, and I'm going through the next silver. Now guys, I have this. And in my next step, what I'm going to pick up are 14 silver beads, okay? I have my 14 here. I'm going to slide those down, just like that. Now guys, I will move this bead away and I will go through the next one. And I want to pull and tighten up. Here guys, I want to add one bead. Skip the one that's on my way, so don't go through this one, but go through the next 3. Okay, skip one and go through 3. Okay, and when I pull, you see what I have here. 2 beads next to each other, then 3 single, pull tight. Here I need another silver. I don't go through the next one, but I go through the following 3, just like that. Skip one and go through 3. Then again I take one, skip one and go through the following 3. And I have this. Then I will go through the next silver. In my next step guys, I need another 14 beads. Okay, pick up 14. Slide them down absolutely the same way. And I will repeat the same thing. So I skip one silver and I go through the following and pull tight. 1 silver and go through the next 3. One silver, skip one and go through the next 3. So it's always skip one and go through 3. Take one bead, skip this one that's on my way, skip it, and go through the next 3 and pull. Okay, then I go here in the next bead and I'll show you again. I take 14 and I slide those down. Then I skip one to turn directions. And I take one, I skip one and I go through 3. So it is all the same, skip one and go through 3 times. Okay, first second, and third time. Skip one, go through 3. And when I pull, I have the same thing, guys. Then I want to go in the following silver. Okay, friends, and I will repeat these columns 3 more times and I'll be back. And when I continue, guys, absolutely the same way, with skipping one and going through 3, this is what I have. Okay, and in my next step I want to go in this column here through those 3 beads. Okay, let me look at this column. I want to go through this bead that is sticking out like this. And then, guys, I want to go in the neighbor one from the outside to the center. Take 3 silver beads and go in the next column through this one that's sticking out and from the center to the outside. I have this now. And I go in the next one from the outside to the center and I take 3 and I go like this and I repeat the same thing. Okay, I have my first row ready. In my next step, guys, I want to go through this column of 3 like I did when I was stepping up in my previous row. Go through this one that is sticking out from the center to the outside and then go through the neighbor one but in the other direction, from the outside to the center. Now add 7 beads and go from the center to the outside through the neighbor bead and then from the outside to the center. Okay, 7 again, and I repeat. And 7. Okay, I continue the same way. Okay, and again. And I know that it's not perfect, but in nature, have you ever seen a perfect spider net? It's always bending to one side. That's why I like this effect, especially for Halloween. Okay, now I'm going like this. And I will do a similar thing, guys. Okay, I'm exiting out of this bead and I'm going in the next one in the opposite direction. And I want 11 beads, guys, here. Okay, 11. Now what I want to do is to go again in the same place from the center to the through the outside and then backwards again the same way like I was doing it all the time. And 11 again. And now, guys, I'm going to continue this until the end, absolutely the same way, and when I'm ready, I'll be back. Okay, guys, and here I am at my last step where I'm adding my last 11 beads. And my spider net is almost ready. I just need to take 2 silver beads, earring finding, and 2 silver beads, and I'm going back in circle through this top silver. And I'm going through all of those beads. And I want to go here and choose a place to make a knot. Let's do it here. Make a loop, go through the loop, pull. Then you can go through some beads, and if you want you can repeat this knot several times. But when you're ready with the last one, just go through some beads and cut your thread as close as possible to your work. Okay guys, and now my beaded spider net earrings are ready, so if you like them and you want to see more and more videos like this, it's a good idea to subscribe with the bell, like, share and comment. Also check the membership option that comes with a lot of perks. Thank you for watching. Now click on the whole Halloween playlist and continue watching.